Let's assume I just heard about forex trading and I want to dive into it. I wouldn't just rush in. I'm going to approach it like a business, and I'm not coming in to try it out to see if it works. I'll be coming in with the mindset to make it work no matter what. That mindset alone changes everything. Now the next question would be, how am I looking to make trading work no matter what? The first thing will be to learn. Since I know nothing at all about trading, funding an account to copy signals will not be my number one priority. The number one thing will be for me to sit down and learn. I need to understand reasons why decisions are made in the market so that I can be able to hold myself accountable to my results. So what I will need to do is to focus on getting just one mentor who is experienced and accessible, who will have my time to teach me how to approach trading. So that will be my number one focus, to get to understand what is going on in the market. After getting the right education, I will not rush into funding a live account out of excitement that I've learned a strategy or something. I will go into practice, because I will have to practice what I've learned to know whether I am good at it or there are still some loopholes here and there. So I will get a practice account or a demo account. So I'm practicing there not just for the wins, but to check my experience so far, to track my emotions. Although when you are trading with demo, you may not get the anxiety and the psychological issues that comes with trading, but I'm just using it to keep track of everything I've learned, to know whether I actually understand or get the point on what I've been taught. So I'll practice before I start looking to fund my account. So after practicing, once I am confident with the knowledge and my execution, the next thing will be to look for capital. Where am I going to get the capital to start trading? Now note this, I will not try to flip my $50 to $5,000, because that is how most traders burn their capital. So the first thing I would do will be to pick up a prop firm account. I am picking up that prop firm account to raise capital for myself. From there, I can be able to diversify. Although it's not going to be easy picking up the prop firm account, but the aim would be to pick it up, get my first payout and use it to diversify, get my personal account and the rest, and grow from there. Now, if I succeed in getting the prop firm account, I am not going to rush into placing trades. I will run back to my mentor to ask few questions. Now, the first question I will ask my mentor would be, how were you able to get capital when you started out? The second question I will ask will be, how did you become profitable? The third question I will ask will be, what is the psychology behind trading a prop firm account? Because making the plans, I will also have to know the pros and the cons. If my mentor is an experienced one, the answers to these particular questions should be able to open my eyes into the reality of trading, and that will help me approach my account in a reasonable manner. Armed with the knowledge, experience, and deeper insights I've gotten from my mentor, I will start my trading journey. But this time, I'm starting with clarity, knowing that it's not going to be easy. There will be losses, there will be doubts, but I will always remind myself why I started, to make it work no matter what. So I will focus on building myself, being positive, focusing on progress and achieving success. No time to give up. I didn't come to try it out. I came to make it work. I will use this mindset to keep trading until I achieve my first payout. And once I get my first payout, I will diversify. I will get my personal account. I will scale up my funded account. If I was trading a lower capital, I will get a higher capital to increase my payout. Following that discipline that made me get my first payout, I'll be keeping tracks of the progress, the struggles, everything, so that I will be up to date with myself, get an account and scale up my prop account too. With that, I'll be able to create multiple streams of income for myself and keep pushing until I join a successful class. So these are the processes I will follow into achieving success in trading. So have it in mind that trading is not an easy stuff to go into. You need to be ready to make it work. So don't come in because of you think there is money somewhere you want to, pack and go. It takes processes, and you must be ready to go through those processes. Don't even jump one, because if you jump one, it can be detrimental. It takes processes. So just be ready, because at the end of the day, trading will change your personality, the way you think. It will change a lot of things before the money will start coming in. It will build you into another human being. That is trading generally. But have in mind that if you are ready to make it work, it will work. It must